السلام عليكم جماعة. ناوني Alhamdulillah. My name is Afif Muhammad Taj Ahmed, not Sheikh Afif, Afif Muhammad Taj. Ethiopian by nationality. Maybe some of you may think I'm Sudanese, because most of my recitations were recorded in Sudan. The way I dressed was like Sudanese. But still, I'm proud to be called Sudanese. I don't have any problem. Like I am now dressing Nigerian dress in Nigeria. And I saw once on Google, I don't know who wrote it, a biography of Afif. Afif Muhammad Taj is from Borno State, Maiduguri, something like that. And still it is okay. To be a Nigerian is a great thing. Both Sudanese and Nigerians, I see them like my home. No problem. And I was born in Kamise, a small city in northeastern part of Ethiopia. And I studied all my primary and secondary education in the same city. And then I joined Addis Ababa University, I think in 2015. So I am a graduate of applied biology from Addis Ababa University, class of 2017. Then I traveled to Sudan because my ambition was to study medicine. Due to some reasons, I didn't get the opportunity to study medicine in Ethiopia. Then I got the chance in Sudan, and then I traveled to Sudan at the end of 2017, and then joined International University of Africa, IUA, in Sudan. I think